Now if we consider like option B, so A is nothing but n. So for T2, A is nothing but n. So that means variance is nothing but n square sigma square by n, which is n sigma square. So MSC is nothing but n sigma square plus n minus 1 whole square mu square. Now for T3 the same way, A is nothing but n by n plus 1. So that means the variance is nothing but n by n plus 1 whole square sigma square by n, which is n sigma square by n plus 1 whole square. So that means the bias is nothing but n by n plus 1 minus 1 times mu, which is minus mu by n plus 1. So that means bias square is mu square by n plus 1 whole square. So the MSC is nothing but n sigma square by n plus 1 whole square plus mu square by n plus 1 whole square. Similarly for T4, if we consider like A is equals to n plus 1 by n, so that means the variance is nothing but n plus 1 by n whole square sigma square by n, so which is n plus 1 whole square sigma square by n cube. So the bias is nothing but mu by n, so bias square is mu square by n square. So the MSC is nothing but n plus 1 sigma square by n cube plus mu square by n square. So if we consider the MSCs, like, so we have like so we have to decide like of these three, like which one is less. So if we take like nx bar, so this is having like very large variance. So this is having like large variance and bias as well. Whereas if we consider this option D is having like small variance and small bias. So therefore like large variance and bias, and this is having small variance and small bias. So n by n plus 1 is having small variance and small bias. This variance is large, so this is having like larger variance and bias, whereas this one is small, the variance is small and even the bias is small. So therefore option C is the correct answer.